Anyways, guys, hi. Hi, how are you? So yes, guys, I know you guys are probably thinking, another Pretty Little Thing haul. Are they really? Come on, like, there are other PlayStation shops out there for you to shop at. But this is a different one. Basically, they came out with a collection. So you know the model Leslie, like the model Leslie that you see that I always post on all of my videos, like the girl who's always modeling basically all the plus size clothing on Pretty Little Thing. Her, they basically gave her like a collection to do in it. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do this. When I saw the collection, it wasn't that like compared to like, who can I say, like the Ashley Graham, like when they did Ashley Graham, yeah, they gave her more promotion than they did for that own model, Leslie, and it was like, but because it just meant more clothes, you know what I mean? It meant more clothes and content for you guys, and yeah. So I thought, you know, let me just film, let me buy majority of the things that I can find in my size and film a haul for you guys. So yeah, this came, I literally, like I said, I literally just came home like around 9, and I saw this bad boy on my bed. So your girl, she finna do what she gotta do. She finna try her clothes out. And yeah, you guys know when I'm tired, I'm hyper. So if I'm doing too much, I'm so sorry. But I need to film today so then I can edit tomorrow, so then I can have it up by Friday, because I tried to have majority of my uploads like out by Friday for you guys, you know what I mean? So hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into it, because you could be my Django. Look at me, Django. Let me see. I'm gonna return it. They look like pajamas. What? Nah. Maybe like a lesbian. Like, I'm a butch lesbian. Like, what? No. I don't like it. Oh no. And like, the bottoms are like flares. Yeah, I don't like it. No way. Like, what do you guys think? I don't like it. I don't like it. No, I don't like it. 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 Okay. Guys, I like this. Oh my gosh, you know what I need? All I need is like some high-waisted, like whenever girls like wear like mesh outfits and then they wear like a plain black bra and like those high-waisted pants. That's what I need, high-waisted pants. Oh my gosh, I really like this. Oh my gosh, what? Hello. Oh my gosh, guys, I really like this. I hope you guys can't see my under. But no, I really like this. And look, okay, this is what also, look at this proper high neck. This is what you call high neck. Yes, I like this. Oh my god. Girl, I'm gonna keep this. I want it to work. No underwear, so your man can see my derriere. Oh, here we got some slinky leggings, and like, I like it. It's comfortable, very comfortable. So this is a two-piece. It comes with a top. It's a crop top, I believe. Let me see. Let me see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm thinking, where am I gonna wear this to? Because we're in the middle of a pandemic, and you know your girl, she has nowhere to go. Nowhere to go. Okay, let me just tie this up. Oh, look, my back. Oh no. Okay. If I wear this, I cannot. You know, I'm not even gonna keep this. Cause look, oh my. Call the police. Look at. Oh no. But I really do like. Oh no. I really do like this, but yeah, man. The back fat is not cutting it. Like, you know, sometimes back fat can look decent in certain outfits, yeah. Yeah, this is not that outfit. But I do like this two-piece. I wish that back fat wasn't like this. The hoe in me says hello, because this is short. As in, obviously, I feel like I've had shorter because my feet, like normally, like it'll be hair, but it's just a little bit long hair. But this is short and it's tight. But one thing I like about this is that the material is heavy. Like the material is heavy, and I like the fact that it's heavy. But no, it's going back. It's going back. It's going back. Oh guys, no guys, how can I have no bum? Like it actually goes. Oh my gosh. We should send me the jar. If I was a high commission officer and I saw my bum, I would send myself to jail because no guys. Oh my gosh. wait, I don't understand what's going on. Oh. I was thinking, wait, what's going on here? No, I cannot. Oh, I guess, you know what? Wait, guys, you know what? This is not bad. This is actually not bad. Wait, hold on. I'll step back in a bit. Let me just fix myself up for you guys. I gotta look good for my audience. This is actually not. Oh my god. And the material, it feels so soft. I don't know what real ribbed feels like to say if it is real ribbed, but it feels heavy. Do you know what I mean? Like it doesn't feel like cheap quality. It feels proper nice. Oh, and look. I'm gonna be out in the streets like the harder I is, and my belly gonna catch a cold, but I am. I like this. Oh my gosh. Like, I mean, I can see my breasts. Maybe I can see the top probably rolling out because it's like elastic hair. But I know if I just tuck it under and stuff like that, it shouldn't be too fast. No guys, I really do like this. I mean, I know I don't have like the sexiest, you know, wadi, but no guys, I love this. I don't know why I'm gonna wear this today. I love it. Oh guys, look at that. Look at the look. Can you see my back? My back doesn't even go like, you know, my back just goes shoo. No, but the material feels amazing. I actually love this. Oh, I really want to keep it, but I'm thinking about this part here just because of my belly. I don't know, but I really do like this. Oh my gosh. I actually like, guys, I really like this. I might keep it. I might. Oh no, I really like it. Yo, fuck it. I'm gonna keep it because who's gonna check me, boo? Who gonna check me? Nobody. So this is nice. I like this. Oh, look at that. Oh, my bum actually makes me depressed. Baby, I'ma be a motivation. Getting these pants on was not easy at all, guys. Like compared to the other haul that I've done where I was wearing leather pants, these were a struggle to get on. But one thing I feel like I can say right now about like the clothes that I bought, compared to Pretty Little Things like normal material, like cheap and flimsy, these have been really good. I'm actually so shocked. I'm so shocked. But I saw Miss Leslie Ann. I saw my homegirl Leslie Ann, and she wore this together on the side. So I was like, oh my gosh, I really like these two together. So then I bought these two together. And now we're gonna try on these two together. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh no, my bra is actually wearing this outfit. But it's a nice fit, guys. Envision it. Envision, is that the word? Envision or is it? I don't know, but oh no, look at all guys, look at that. Okay, but no guys, can you like imagine? Giving me lesbian vibes. I like that. Ooh, I love that. Oh, you be making me purchase some cute fits. Thank you, girl. Oh, God. She be watching me, whoever this is. Well, I'm not saying her name is, I think her name is Shay. Shay. Oh, she said she loves my horns. You will make me purchase some cute fits. Thank you, girl. Shay, if you're watching this, so Shay, you know you are my Snapchat girl. You just message me if you're watching this, girl. I'll pick you up. Oh, this is long as what? No, guys, okay. This is long. This can be a dress, a bandeau dress. This is long. If it was, okay, let me see. If I put on, yeah, it's literally on my wood floor. But I'm gonna leave it like this, and then I'm gonna try the top on. But this is long, but the material, guys, is soft. I love it. It doesn't feel cheap. It's good. Oh my gosh, Leslie. What? So Leslie done well on this collection. I'm loving it. What's this? Oh, it's on the shoulder. I was gonna say I like it, but I don't know, something's off. I don't know. But the material definitely feels nice. It feels nice. I don't know. The material feels nice. I like the material. I don't know. I don't know what it is, but I don't know. Do I like it? Do we like it? Do we like it? Do we? Oh my gosh, guys, do you like it? Let me know if you like this fit. Let me stand back again so you guys can see. Like, what do you think? Should I keep it? I don't know. I don't know what it is. I don't know, because if I was to keep it, I don't have the breast. I don't have the correct breast to keep it. I don't know what it is. But I like it, but there's something that is making me think like I don't like it at the same time. I'm not sure what it is, but alright. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be a tough one. Okay. If I ever go out in this, I cannot eat. What? I have to go and wear this just to stand up in the club to do it. Oh my gosh, look at the soldiers. Look at this. Okay, shut. It's so like, whew. Baby, I would be a motivation. Oh guys, is it supposed to be like a, oh okay, alright. This is supposed to be like a corset kind of design going on here. But your girl, you know, she got the belly, so it ain't really gonna work like that because I can't even breathe. Oh my gosh. Come on, bomb guys. I just don't have one long back, innit? Oh my gosh. Who man is this? Girl, put your records on. Tell me. No, this is definitely going back. It's too tight to the vagina. This is about, guys, I can't breathe my back. Oh my gosh. It was a struggle to get it off. It's gonna be a struggle to take it off. Come on, you have me doing. Hey, if you remember the last haul that I done, and I bought this in white. Cool. So because my breasts look weird in that one, I decided to take off my bra. Like obviously in that one I had like the booby tape. So I thought if I have nothing, I could look at that depression. If I have nothing, yeah, I can be able to maybe adjust my breasts. But oh no, guys, it still looks. Obviously, this is like the same two-piece in the white one, but this is in a green velvet. So the material is velvet, and it's velvet, and it still feels cheap. It still feels cheap. That's why I bought it, because I thought, okay, maybe the one that was in that curtain material, it might be better because this is like a velvet material, so the material might be better or whatever. No, it still feels cheap. Uma Kamani. The police are on their way. I hope you're packing your bags on a run, because the police are on their way. Oh, my breast. No, look. My breast don't even sit in the cup. My breast don't even sit in the cup. Do you know what I mean? Like, and it's like, I don't know, what was the point? What was the point of this Uma? What was the point of this Uma? What was the point of this Uma? Huh? Like, and obviously this time I wore the outfit properly, do you know what I mean? And I still don't like it. All those girls that are wearing on Instagram, all over social media, they're fake, because the material, I mean, look, don't get me wrong, it looks nice, but the material, unless it's different materials for the Sidora girls, because I don't know, maybe it's cheaper to make in curtain for plus size, I don't know, but Uma Kamani. Wow. Wow. I'm so upset. I thought this was gonna look nice on me. I really thought this was gonna look nice on me, but Uma. Anyway, Leslie, my girl, my homegirl, you done your best. Oh my gosh, look at my tits and look. It looks so sad. Oh my gosh. Anyways, guys, that's the end of this Leslie's collection haul. You know, I bought the majority that I could in my size. I did, and there are actually quite a few pieces that I'm not gonna keep. I'm not gonna lie to you because I have nowhere to go. But there are a few pieces that I am gonna keep, even though I have nowhere to go. But there's some pieces that I'm just gonna return because even though I want to keep it, I have nowhere to go. So yeah, a few pieces I'm gonna keep, a few pieces I'm not gonna keep. But in the middle of a pandemic, where am I gonna wear some of these outfits to in the middle of a pandemic? And I think we're even going back in lockdown in the UK. Sucks, because I recently just booked myself a restaurant table for one. I was going to take myself on a nice date and, you know, really nice myself, pamper myself, like, baby girl, you deserve it. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this Leslie, I don't even know how to say that, my name begins with an S. But I hope you guys enjoyed this Leslie collection haul with Pretty Little Thing and Pretty Little Thing. I hope to see you guys in my next video. So whenever it comes to you, memories on rewind, 'cause every thought of you is playing inside my mind.